So we can print in the different design at the same time for the different items. This is the home, and we can do another inspection and another cleaning on this computer, and you can also do it on your phone. And in this screen we can see the situation of the ink, so if the ink is not enough, then we can add the ink on top. And this is to see the printing, the printing task. And this is the log. We can know the machine how it's working and the time. And in the setting, we can also do the function like the another inspection, the clean, and we can print in the color. And also we can do the maintenance on this camera, on this screen. So it will be more easy for the new users, for the customers to operate this machine. And we can also change the language. And also for this screen, it can also like a promotion. You can put your promotion video on this. And we will update the system. Okay. When we click in, the print form will automatically done for the infrared sensor. And so this is the perfect height for us to print. And if we want to out, this print form will automatically up. So in this way, it can have a perfect printing head. So for the new users, it will not bring the ink. And for one set point, you can see the UV line. You see this? It's not straight down. The bottom is tilted about 10 degrees. So in this design, it will help select the UV line and can prevent another clothing. So in this way, we can provide to protect the printer hand. You can